Hello, Luis Magic here, and this is Coincidences. Okay, you call a spectator to come near you and you ask him to cut the deck in two parts. Okay, I will do it now, but it will be the spectator. So you cut from here to here, yes? Okay, yes. It's 29. What? What's 29? Well, this is the card you choose, and I think you cut here 28 cards, so this is the 29th. Okay, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 21. How could I know that? You are thinking, because you choose the only, it's the 6 of hearts, you choose the only red card in a deck with all black cards. You see? But for having a deck with all black cards, you have to put together the 26 black cards of two decks. I show you. For example, here we have a joker, okay, and here the other one, you see? And if I have let's say the jack of clubs, okay, here I will surely find another jack of clubs here, okay. And if I have the queen of spades, to give you an example, here we will have the other queen of spades in the deck, because all the cards are in pair and they are all in coincidence. You want to see why? Let's say now you help me in choosing one card, okay? So I make the card go down on the table like this, and you tell me stop where you prefer. Okay, stop here. Okay, so we all saw all these cards here, and we are going to take the first card which has not been seen. Okay, your choice. And you could have tell me stop, how to say, here, yeah? You see all the cards are different one from the other, okay? But you choose this one, okay? But you know there is coincidence in this deck, so something happened here on the other half of the deck. You see? Watch. A card turned over, and it's the 4 of clubs, okay? Because something has happened here and another thing is happening here. And well, we have a look to your card and it's in perfect coincidence, okay? And now what we can at the end see is that in these two halves of the deck, the first card is coincident, the second one is coincident, and the third one, and the fourth one, and the fifth, and the sixth, and the last one, you see? And all of these cards are imperfect coincidence. Okay, that's all, and now the explanations. Okay, so this routine requires no sleight of hand, but it's all a question of the deck, which is not so innocent as it seems. So the deck is composed of 26 and 26 black cards, from ace to king of flowers and from ace to king of spades, okay, here, and the other two scales here. Then we have the only red card, this one, okay, and the order of these two parts of the deck is the same, but at a certain point people will look at the cards and they will not recognize the order, because in the routine you change the order of the cards. At the beginning, the setup is, I can show you it quickly, and then we will take, we have the joker here, okay, this is the order of the cards, you see, and this same order is on the other side. So we have the two jokers here, okay, in this part, and we have the same order of the cards. You can choose your one. I chose this one just to make it not evident. You see, here there is something else we will see soon. Okay, so the same order. You can choose the order you prefer of the black cards. They must seem mixed, but the order here and here is the same. The only difference is that there is a 4 of clubs here, okay, so we have 26 and 2 jokers, so 28 cards here, and the same order here, and the red one. But there is something else. This part of the deck is cut narrowed than this one of 1 millimeter. Okay, so these are narrow cards and these are normal cards. The 6 of hearts is a narrow card. So we have the 26 cards with no jokers here and the 6 of hearts, okay, and on them we put the 26 normal cards, okay, normal sized cards, and with the 2 jokers. Now you are ready. As you can easily see, when you keep the deck on your hand, you have a step here just on the 6 of heart. Pardon, just on the 6 of heart. Okay, so you have to call a person near you, okay, and you have the step here on this side. You put the cards on the table, okay, and when the person will come to cut the deck in two, it has no choice than cutting the 26 normal cards and 2 jokers, so 28, and he will cut here, okay. I put a little signature on this card, you see, respect the normal. The wheels of the bike, the angel rides, are white, so you will have a control that everything is going well, because when he cuts here, and he must cut here because his hand, his thumb can't feel a different place. He will feel the step and it will open, okay, and you have a check of the fact that here we have the 6 of hearts because it is signed, Okay, so we take the 6 of hearts this way, and I tell now that in this packet, in this half of the deck, there is this card, the 4 of clubs, face up, and on the back, in fact it doesn't go away, on the back it has got some laughing fluid, but just a little bit in the middle, not so much as it is now, okay, just a drop. And what happens if you put the fluid here? When you fan the cards face up, they won't see the turn card, okay, but when you turn them on this other way, back, on the back I mean, it doesn't come out. Why? Okay, they should see immediately one card is because I exaggerated with the fluid, maybe I really can't find it. Oh, it's here. Okay, so we were okay, so what we were saying is that if you fan the cards this way, they all seem face up, but when you fan them the other way, the 4 of hearts, it was too strong, the fluid before, okay, the 4 of clubs comes out face up immediately. Okay, so you say the person who cut the deck and chose the card, 29. It's strange to say a number instead of a suit, a value, but you say 29. Why? Because you have cut 28 cards, so this is the 29, and now you have to invert the order of all the cards, but you are counting them to show they are 28, okay, and now this packet has the order of the cards completely opposite of this one, okay, and then 29, you say, oh, it's the 6 of hearts, and you show it. How can I know it? Because you chose the only red card in all a deck of black, and this should be strong for your audience. But you can go on, because you say to have a deck like this, you have to use 2 decks and take all the black cards. I give you an example, because here I need to take away the jokers, the one joker here and the other one, okay, so you see, okay, let's put them here, the jokers, and you make some examples, 2, I say 2, because you must give the impression that this order is very, very different from that one, okay? In reality, it is just the opposite, okay? You see? So, if you take a 2 of clubs here, well, let's say where we find it, it will be maybe, okay, it's opposite, of course, but you must give the impression this is casual. So, if I have the ace of spades here, well, you choose ace of spades, it's here. It gives the strong impression that the cards are all in different order, because you see the ace is here and here, the 2 is 2 and 2. Okay, then you are ready for the last part, which is a forsage of the 4 of clubs you have here. Okay, this time to make the forcing, you make the cards go all without and you are changing against the order. Now this order is becoming equal to this one, okay, and they say stop, and you say, okay, we saw these cards here, okay, we take the first one we didn't see and we put it here, okay, but now you have to go on to complete the coincidences, okay, and you say, okay, you could have stopped me here or here. Let's say the cards are all different, you see they are, yes, they are, okay, and at this point you don't show the card he chose, and you say something has happened here because you chose one card, and something else has happened here. I feel it. I feel something is in fact one card is face up. You see, one card has turned away. Okay, and well, let's say if there is a coincidence here too. Yes, there is. So this is very, very intriguing, because now I see the first card of the two half of the decks, they are the same, and the second one, and the third one, and the fourth, and the fifth, and so on. They all are in couples. They are in coincidence, of course. And whoa, let's see the last one. Yes, the last one goes, and the card. Okay, the last one is in coincidence, and then you show all the cards are in perfect order and coincidence. You slowly open and you show that all cards are in couples. I hope you enjoyed it. It was coincidence, a trick with no sleight of hands, the union of some thinking and of some card tricks, tricked cards and card tricks. The impact on the audience should be strong, because at the end you have all the cards on your mat and open, and there is a chosen card, there is a coincidence, another chosen card, and the fact that you know how many cards the spectator cut. I think it's quite a complete routine. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you.